Describe what we're doing here, Mr. Pike.
Well, we got some nice store owners somewhere in downtown Shanghai. Got us hooked up with some of these little firecrackers. So we're gonna.
So how do you say firework again in little fire flowers going here.
Right about here.
Hey?
That's the 25 shot. Here, let me do it.
Are you going to use the 25 shot to take the umbrella up into the air?
Somewhere the hotel is.
Okay.
There's the hotel. Okay.
Oh wow. And there's pedestrians. It's oh, yeah. I didn't see you light it.
That was a little fun volley there. Yeah, nice to that.
Oh.
All right, here, your turn now.
We'll let the backlog of pedestrians go.
We'll let the pedestrians walk through. Timmy has got, what did you got there, Timmy?
I don't know, I got a shitload of jumbo firecrackers.
Okay, here it is. Take care of that here.
Well, I don't know where they start.
Well, I've never done them either. Yeah, I'd peel off right there and check. Oh. There we go. All right. Okay. All right, Timmy. Don't put your face over top of that. Excellent. There's a little bit of smoke. Here in front of the hotel, or we can't. We're having a hard time seeing the front door here. All right. Well, there you go. Chinese New Year's. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.